Hello kids, Primary 4, second midterm, Environmental Studies. Scheme of reference from page 71 to 78. Lesson objectives: gardening and its importance, dispersal of seeds, other ways of growing new plants, the ways which you can make your garden more beautiful. Look at the pictures given. What are the similarities and differences between them? First of all, my dear kids, identify these places. First picture is a forest. Second picture is a paddy field. Third picture is a home garden. Now we will compare the three pictures. What can you see in all the three pictures? Yes, you can see plants in all the pictures. But there are very tall trees in the forest than the other two places. And also there are animals only in the first picture. You can see some people are working in garden only in the third picture. What can you see in the second picture? Yes, there are paddy plants. It's a paddy field. When there are plants and trees, it gives a greenery look and enhances the beauty of a place. Can you identify these seeds? Yes, you can. Have you seen them earlier? Yes, definitely you must have seen. I will read out the names in order. Pumpkin seeds. Number 2, jackfruit seeds. Number 3, papaya seeds. Number 4, sunflower seeds. Number 5, bitter gourd seeds. This is a picture of a very beautiful garden. Do you also like to have a garden like this? Or is your garden better than this? In a garden, there must be a variety of plants and trees such as flowering plants, fruits, vegetables and medicinal plants. Benefits of gardening. We get different plant products. As I mentioned earlier, we get different plant products from a garden such as vegetables, fruits, seeds, medicine. When we get the harvest from the garden, we can be happy. I hope you agree with me. The greenery makes the surrounding fresh and beautiful. What do you think by looking at these two pictures? Which picture contains fresh air? That means having more oxygen. Yes, picture 1. Why is that? Do you know the reason? When there are many trees, they make the surrounding fresh because they take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Things to be kept in mind while gardening. The space of planting. The plant must get enough sunlight and space. Before we plant a plant, we must think whether it's getting enough of sunlight and is the space enough for the plant to grow. For an example, you know a mango plant will one day grow up to a big tree. So for it to grow big, it should have enough space. The right season for planting seasonal plants. Paddy is an example for a seasonal plant. The seasons are called Maha season and Yala season. Maha season starts by September and ends by March. Yala season starts by May and ends by August. Use of organic fertilizers. Making compost. Organic fertilizers are fertilizers derived from animal matter such as eggshells, vegetable matter, shredded newspaper and cardboard. In this slide, you can see the process of making compost. You can use a compost bin or can make a place as shown in the first picture to collect dried leaves and kitchen waste. Continue to add layers until your bin is full. Use a garden fork and turn your compost. Keep compost moist, not wet. Composting process takes about 2 months to 6 months to complete. It's faster when the temperature is high. The compost just looks like the last picture. Compost is rich in nutrients. Protecting the sapling from animals by fencing it. Watering the plant regularly. Removing weeds that may grow around the plant. Gathering dried leaves, seeds and flowers to make compost. Plucking vegetables and fruits when they are ready to be picked. You can see 3 different ways of plucking fruits in this. Dispersal of seeds. The waste of seeds leaving the parent plants is called seed dispersal. Number 1. Sometimes seeds simply drop to the ground from the mother plant. Number 2. Seeds dispersed by animals. Animals and birds eat fruits and vegetables. Sometimes they leave the seeds. Sometimes they eat the seeds and excrete them. Some seeds such as burdock and lovegrass are sticky or have hook-like structures that stick to the body of animals that pass by. Number 3. Seeds dispersed by water. Coconut, nipa and pong pong dispersed through water. Number 4. Seeds dispersed by wind. Dandelion and cotton dispersed by wind. Number 5. Seeds dispersed by explosion. Pea and balsam seeds dispersed by explosion. Ways of growing new plants. Number 1. Seeds. Most new plants grow from seeds. Number 2. Cutting. When a part of a stem is cut and planted in the soil, it grows into a new plant. Rose, hibiscus grow in this way. Number 3. Layering. Layering is a method of growing a new plant from an older one by bending a stem till it touches the ground. A new plant grows from the bent stem of the mother plant which is buried. Number 4. Storage stems and roots. Ginger, garlic, turmeric, sweet potato and yams can be grown by planting the sprouts that grow from the eyes of the vegetables. Picture A shows you a potato. Picture B shows ginger stems. The ways in which we can make our gardens more beautiful. There are many ways in which you can make your garden more beautiful. Do you have a small garden or a big garden? Have you used garden ornaments to make it beautiful? On a small scale, if the garden is small, you can hang wind chimes or bells that ring gently when the wind blows. You can create simple ornaments to decorate the space between plants. You can use waste materials to make the garden beautiful. Look at the second picture in this slide. What is used to make the swan? Empty plastic bottles are used. Look at the third picture. Can you tell me what is used to make it? Yes, a pair of shoes. On a large scale, if the garden is big, you can create a lawn as shown in the picture, bordered with bushy plants. Summary of the lesson. We get different plant products such as fruits, vegetables, medicine, seeds when we grow plants in our gardens. Trees and plants need regular attention. They need grooming, observation and care. Seeds dispersed by wind, water, animals, birds and etc. Sometimes seeds simply drop to the ground from the mother plant and a baby plant grows from the seed. Other ways of growing new plants are layering, planting a stem and from storage stems and answer the questions given below. Number 1. Write 2 benefits of gardening. Number 2. Write 2 things that you should keep in mind while gardening. Number 3. Write 4 ways that seeds disperse. Write 2 examples for each. Number 4. Write 2 ways that you can make your garden beautiful. After answering these questions, write answers for the questions given on page 77 and 8. Thank you.